Nope.
Jeg kan huske, da mine venner stjal sådan, jeg tænkte mig, nej, det tør jeg sgu ikke.
Jeg tør heller ikke. Jeg har aldrig haft offentlig sex.
Okay.
Save it!
It sounds a bit Germanic, right? Germanic. Is it Germanic? Germanic, like German. But I don't think it is German.
Dårlig stil at stjæle sig.
Dårlig
Jeg
stil.
kan huske, da mine venner stjal sådan, jeg tænkte mig, nej, det tør jeg sgu ikke.
Jeg tør heller ikke. Jeg har aldrig haft offentlig sex.
Save it!
I think that's Danish. Let me refresh.
Vi har andre strande, der endnu ikke har fået denne akkolade. De sætter europæisk vin og vinavlerne uden for markedet.
Oh man, I'm not that good. As you guys know, my strength is in Asian languages. This sounds Danish to me. Just the pronunciation doesn't sound like Norwegian or Swedish to me. They sound completely different. I struggle with like Norwegian and Swedish. Between the two, I get confused a little bit because I'm not an expert when it comes to those things. This sounds Danish. I hope I'm right because I want to get the third one right. Let's go. Let's go.